So, what is bioinformatics? I think by now every life science student has come across this term bioinformatics. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, it is a marriage between biology and computers. And it does have a lot of applications in this AI space. I'm Dr. Chikucherian, a PhD in bioinformatics and the CEO of Centurion's Bio.ai. Where can it be used? Number one, computational drug discovery. Now, what is computational drug discovery? Before we proceed, let me give you a background of it. Earlier, before the advent of computers and before a drug came into the market, people used to manually take raw materials and test it and do in vitro and in vivo studies and clinical trials and then bring it out into the market. It took a span of nearly 20 to 30 years to bring out a drug. But now, with the advent of computers, we can reduce the span to a very shorter time. It's a little bit tricky to understand the logic behind it, so let me bring into an example, which is called a movie example. How many of you have seen the 2008 Hindi movie? It's an Indian movie for the global audience. Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. It's like Anushka Sharma and Shah Rukh Khan comes in an arranged marriage setting, but both have a lot of emotional baggage. So let's, for this example's sake, let's consider Anushka Sharma as a protein and Shah Rukh Khan as a ligand. So both had to be emotionally prepared. So then we have to, before they actually come into the marriage setting, and even after the marriage setting, they had to be, really prepared to actually like each other. So that's the same with a protein and a ligand. So you have to prepare the protein, the diseased protein or a protein of interest, and you have to prepare the ligand, which is a small molecule or a phytochemical or a chemical structure of interest. And then we have to see the interactions between it. Number two, personalized medicine. Now, we all know that one medicine doesn't suit everybody. Some have allergy reactions, digestive problems, etc. etc. It's like this saying is very relevant for personalized medicine. One man's medicine is another man's poison. So that's what it is about. I mean like a person with certain characteristics. I would love to have a friend who's having certain characteristics, because somebody who suits my wavelength. And similarly, the person, that's you if you're watching it, will have a certain criteria in a friend. So that's what is about personalized medicine. It's that every body is different. So with the help of bioinformatics, we can design a drug keeping your genetic profile into consideration. Brilliant, isn't it? Number three, disease research and in diagnostics. Now, there are various genetic diseases, and it is caused by genetic variations. That means something goes wrong with the gene, it starts acting crazy, that results in a disorder in the body. So we can analyze this way before the disease takes place through a genetic profile. So this is very important. And diagnostic also. Now we have a lot of medtech space. In the medtech space, we can come across, certain devices that works on bioinformatics algorithms like spatial transcriptomics and NGS. So bioinformatics plays a very great role in this. So hope this has been helpful for those who are trying to understand about bioinformatics. This is very brief, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe and share it with your friends. Knowledge is for everybody.